Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Unboxing the Google Chromecast for 2020. Here we got the box, just taken out of the shipping box. Trying to get this bad boy open now. Get that plastic off. Now it's time to open it up. Got some branding, got some streaming channels. Now with the box open, we're looking at the Chromecast itself and the remote. This should be the Chromecast. I got this one in white. I also ordered a sky blue color. Yep, that's the Chromecast right there. And in this box should be the remote. Had a little bit of a tough time getting this one open, but I promise you I finally got it. Yep, got it open. And there's the remote. Got the Google Assistant button on there. Looking forward to that. We also got in the box the Let's Get Started guide. Don't need that. Got the wall adapter, USB-A adapter. Got the cable, USB-C to USB-A. And I heard this year they're matching up the batteries, which is interesting and a nice touch. And yep, there it is. Got the white batteries to match the Snow White colorway. And again, we got those streaming channels there. I really like that Google was able to partner with so many of the major players. Got the Hey Google branding, got some SKUs at the bottom. And again, we got that Chromecast and those streaming channels on the front. I really like how this looks. Even though it's going in the back of the TV, still like how it looks. Got the remote, again, the Chromecast, batteries, got that cable, and that USB adapter. And that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again soon.